Please, please, please read the contract.
There is no stopping them. The end will soon be here.
How dare you, insect? How dare you interrupt my sentence?
Please, please, please read the contract. I know they're long, confusing, and boring, but ours aren't like that. We don't need a bunch of legal mumbo-jumbo because we're going to do the job correctly. And if you aren't going to cooperate or feel like you want to play games, then I don't need you as a customer. If I had $1 for every time I get asked a question when it's crystal clear in the estimate, I'd be buying trips to space from Elon. They didn't bother to read it. It could have said, I get your firstborn as my personal slave until they die. I don't want your Rugrats. Just read the estimate. The estimate lays out what I'm going to do for you and what you are going to do for me. That way there's no question what you are paying for and what you should expect. I explain it. I text it to you in a video, explains it. You read the estimate that explains it. The technician explains it at the service, and you are asked multiple times if you have any questions. What more can we do? You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make them drink. Most companies use legal language to cover their potential mistakes. We use it to define expectations for both sides. Now, I guarantee you, a lawyer is going to have a conniption fit and claim I'm at risk. But I'm going to do the right thing no matter what. And neither that nor a lawyer speak is going to stop me from getting sued anyway. But I can sleep just fine at night because I did the right thing. Just read the thing. Please, please, please.
You're killing me, Smalls.
So, I stand upon my desk to remind myself that we must constantly look at things in a different way.